I'm Rick Lees. Welcome to CADDY TV. Today we're going to talk about drop rods and shot fire. New to CADDY, you know, we're doing some pre-assembled drop rods. You asked for them and we listen. So we've added some shot fire assemblies of your favorites. The shot fire drop rods are ready to go straight out of the box. They come in 5 different lengths between 12 inches and 48 inches. They work with a lot of your standard CADDY spring steel products. Our 4Z34 bat wing, conduit supports, cable supports, J-hooks, you name it, it works with these drop rods. You know, to use them, you get your tool, take your powder actuated tool. Oh, we love these. Drop the pin in place, put it up to the deck, and let it rip. Also available, we have a variety of different assemblies. Coming soon, we'll have a J-hook pre-assemble. We already have the shot fire, speed links, and MCAC supports with the CADDY drop rods. So you've been asking for it, we listen. These are just a few versions of some of your favorites.